Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for a durable, beautiful, and useful pair of gloves for this winter season? Then look no further than these beautiful gloves from TRENDOUX. These fit perfectly. They're made from soft, comfortable material, and they keep my husband's hands nice and toasty despite what he's doing outside. He loves that he can use his phone with his gloves on, and even if he's working outside, he can still answer the phone or change his music without taking his gloves off. They are perfect for driving. His hands didn't slip off the steering wheel, and he had no trouble maneuvering the car. So these gloves are beautiful. I love the knit look on the outside. They're stitched together very well, so I know that they're going to last him for a long time. I also love the soft, fluffy material on the inside that keeps his hands and fingers nice and warm, even on the coldest of days. These gloves come in different colors and sizes. We've got the extra large and they fit him perfectly. So if you're in the market for a beautiful pair of gloves that's going to keep you looking good and nice and warm all winter long, then I highly recommend these gloves from TRENDOUX. And that's my point of view.